Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel. This video is about Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. The link of the product is given below in the description. Apple launched its iPhone 13, that is the high-end Pro Max version of the series, on September 24, 2021. We learned that the Pro and Pro Max will reportedly have Samsung's OLED screens with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Meet the Super Retina XDR display with ProMotions. With an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz and exceptional graphics performance, you've never felt anything like that. Information on the design of the iPhone 13 series is now appearing. Let's talk about the new Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Body and display. The display screen size of the iPhone 13 Pro Max is 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion for a faster, more responsive feel, and it provides the user with full HD plus the resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels. The Apple iPhone 13's having a Super Retina XDR OLED capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. In the protection of this smartphone, it has a scratch-resistant glass, oleophobic coating. Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion. 6.7-inch, diagonal, all-screen OLED display. 2778 by 1284 pixel resolution at 458 ppi. The iPhone 13 Pro Max display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle. When measured as a standard rectangular shape, the screen is 6. Processor. The smartphone got a chipset of Apple A15 Bionic, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this device, it has a 3.22 hexa-core processor inside the Apple's iPhone 13 Pro Max to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of Apple GPU 5-core graphics under the hood of this smartphone. The iOS 14 updates the core experience of iPhone with redesigned widgets on the home screen, a new way to automatically organize apps with the app library, and a compact design for phone calls and Siri. Messages introduces pinned conversations and brings improvements to groups and Memoji. Memory. This iPhone 13 Pro Max by Apple got 6 GB of RAM, which gives this handset more power. The handset has come with different internal storage. This smartphone comes 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of internal memory, which is more than enough to store your data. Camera. There is a quad camera setup in the back of this new Apple 13 Pro Max. The main camera is 12 megapixels wide, and another one is also 12 megapixels telephoto, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and the depth sensor is TOF 3D LiDAR megapixels. On the front, there is a dual 12-megapixel selfie camera in Apple iPhone's 13 Pro Max. Cinematic mode adds shallow depth of field and shifts focus automatically in your videos. Pro camera system with new 12MP telephoto, wide and ultra-wide cameras, LiDAR scanner, 6x optical zoom range, macro photography, photographic styles, ProRes video, Smart HDR4, night mode, Apple ProRAW 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. Shoot the swallow depth of the field and automatically add elegant at focus transition between subjects for far more creative storytelling. 12MP true depth front camera with night mode, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. A 15 Bionic chip for lightning fast performance. iPhone 13 Pro Max introduced macro photography, using the new ultra-wide camera with advanced lens and autofocus system for stunning close-ups with sharp focus as close as 2 cm. iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max can also shoot macro videos, including slow motion and time-lapse. Shooting macro in photo and video modes is automatic. Just move your iPhone close to the subject and the camera will automatically switch to the ultra-wide camera if it's not selected, while maintaining your framing. To shoot macro slow motion or time-lapse videos, select the ultra-wide camera, 0.5x, and move close to the subject. Protection. There is a Face ID reader in this smartphone to protect your data. And you will find an IP68 dust/water resistant up to 6 m for 30 minutes. Battery. The battery of the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro Max is also a massive one. The handset is fueled with a 4,352 mAh battery to get enough backup time, and the smartphone also got a fast battery charging up to 28 hours of video playback, the best battery life ever in an iPhone. Colors. The iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max's 4 available colors are Graphite, Gold, Silver, Sierra Blue. Ratings. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is that rare phone that gets a 5-star rating from users. You get superior cameras and video recording capabilities, including the very compelling cinematic mode and macro mode, blistering performance, and a very responsive 120Hz display. The link of the product is given below in the description. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and hit the notification bell button, more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.